Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. We've got a Lush box, so let's get into it and check it out. I'm holding this close to my face because it smells so good. If you watch the channel, you know I love all things bath products. I love bath bombs, bubble baths, bath gels, everything. I have used and loved Lush for so many years. Lush came out with the Lush kitchen box, but it was in the UK and we could get it here, but it took longer to get it. It was about $10 more. This works out to about $60 when we get it. The one that came from the UK usually worked out to about $70. Over the course of the last couple of months, I have found that as a rule, my boxes are very close to having the value of what you pay. Which really, if you truly like Lush and you're happy to use whatever they sent, is really S-E-N-T, is really fine with me because I do love Lush and I love the surprise of it. But if you want one of those boxes that's like $100, $150 worth of merch for $50, this is not the one. I am in no way affiliated with it and they don't do any discounts. I will just put a link down below to make it easy for you guys to go over and check out. It comes packaged with the little peanuts, and these are the peanuts that you can just put water on and they dissolve. So it's environmentally friendly, and many of our products, oh, I don't have paperwork. Many of our products are not wrapped. That is also something that they do. That smells so good. Okay, let me dig and see if there's paperwork down in there, but I don't think so. I was wrong. I found it folded up along the back wall. Basically, all we get for paperwork is kind of like an invoice. So I can't really show it to you guys because it has my address and information on it. And then there are tiny little pictures of what we received and the name of it and the ingredients listed underneath. It doesn't tell us any more than that. And this is the February box. I have probably only had this for maybe a week. I got emails from them through February saying, and I don't know what the problem was, whether it was in shipping or making one of the products, but I kept getting emails letting me know that they were running behind, which is fine with me. I have plenty of Bath & Body and I am happy to wait. Can you guys see the Lush imprint in the top of that? This is kind of a pinkish purple. It smells really good. What do they say it is? Oh, it's the very first one. Bath Bomb, and it's Absolute Delight, a 7-ounce bath bomb. And I will let you guys know the call out fragrances. Yeah, I can't. That they say it has bergamot, geranium oil, jasmine absolute, rose absolute. I absolutely don't get rose. Sandalwood, and then fragrance. So yeah, if I had to pick one, it's more toward the sandalwood if you were only picking one scent out. But generally speaking, as with most Lush products, they are blended so well that they make another entirely new scent of their own. And it's not very often that you can be like, I get rose, I get jasmine. I mean, they're just blended so well that it's difficult to pick out individual scents. That smells delicious. Because I get this box and I get Nikki's Southern Fleek box, I have started using whole bombs and whole bubble bars, and it is so decadent. So if you want to use all of this, you can do it. It will just fizz and fizz and fizz, and your bath will probably be nice pink colored, maybe a little purple. The smell will be, it will probably scent the entire floor of your house that you use this in that bathroom, and your skin. It leaves your skin so soft. If you don't want to use one of these, if you want to be more frugal, they're always put together with a seam, and you can almost always take, like, I used to take 2 butter knives and kind of put one down into the seam and then tap the back of the knife with another, something heavy, another knife or something like that. And generally it will break, and then you have 2. I have taken to doing just 1 and it's incredibly fun. Okay, next out, ooh, looks like looks like an alien hand is what it looks like. Looks like we have another fizzy. Does that not look like alien? It is, oh, how do I say this? I'm just going to say it. Sex in the Shower. It is a 2.8 ounce shower bomb. So for those of you who don't take baths, you can put this in the bottom of the shower, just at the outer edge where the water just touches it, so it will slowly start to dissolve. I usually move them far enough out that I can get 2 or 3 showers out of them. And what it does is it just fragrances the whole room. You don't really get any skincare benefits, obviously, from it because it's on the floor. I guess the bottom of your feet could benefit. I don't know. What is this? Feels like maybe there's some eucalyptus in there. It is, did I say it was 2.8 ounces? The call out fragrances are fragrance, which is the first fragrance they talk about. Geranium oil, ginger, oh that might be ginger. Jasmine, mimosa absolute, rose oil, juniper berry oil, ylang ylang. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that smells so good. I really enjoy that we get different things, whether we're taking a bath or a shower. Okay, next out, yay, we have a bottle. It is a kitchen exclusive body lotion. Love. A skin softening cream with hints of sweet toffee apple and a soft floral heart. Very interesting. You can see because of the other bath bombs, I just need to wipe this off. I'm going to take a second and do that. On our paperwork, it says this is 3.3 ounces and the ingredients are fresh apple infusion. That is the very first ingredient is fresh apple infusion. That's really cool. And then almond oil and then fair trade organic cocoa butter. So this is such good products in it. Ylang oil, lemongrass oil, jasmine absolute, bergamot, rose absolute. It's just got so many good things in it. Let me wipe it off. I don't really smell it. Here, let's put the lid on, put a little bit on the back of my hand. I suspect that I don't smell it because I just had all of that bath bomb in my face. That is what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's nice. This smells really, really light, but it is, can you guys tell on the back of my hand? It is so moisturizing. Well, it went straight from the first scent into what? Almond oil and shea butter, cocoa butter? Cocoa butter. So you know right away it's going to be nourishing. I just put on the back of this hand in the video I did right before this, a face lotion. I mean, and compared to the two, this is so much more moisturizing. I mean, it would be. You're not going to put straight cocoa butter on your face, but wow, the difference is amazing. This feels fantastic. I'm gonna have to use it while we're here in the winter. This would definitely be too much for summer. Usually when I get things like this, it kind of goes in line, but I think I'm gonna skip right to this because wow, that feels fantastic. And like I said, I think it's gonna be too much when summer comes. Next out, pull one of these stuck to it. I have a bar of soap. I love to receive bars of soap. That smells good. What is that? It smells far more, and I'm going to say this and it's going to sound kind of negative, but it's not. It smells far more basic than many, you know, Lush has so many intricate scents. This scent is just, it's just more basic. It just smells clean and soapy. A little dark. You know, a little, you will say this a lot with Lush stuff. It's a little sexy. It's just, I think a deep purple. Yeah, I think that, I don't know if that'll come across, but in person, it looks kind of deep purple. I get that on there, it might look a little black. This is, ooh la la. It is a 3.5 ounce soap. Its first two ingredients are rapeseed oil and coconut oil. And then it has lavender, honeysuckle, marigold infusion, red grape juice, extra virgin coconut oil, lavender absolute. I mean, this is just chock full of good stuff. At the bottom, it says it has lavender sprigs and dried red rose petals in it. It seems very smooth to me. The bottom, I'll try and show that. The bottom seems a little bumpier. So when we get into this, maybe there's going to be some stuff in it. That smells good. It's just very light and nice. And last out we have, oh wow, we have a big bottle. I love it when we get the big bottles. You can see the name of that. It is Sex Bomb. This is a shower gel. It's time to unleash your inner bombshell with the seductive trio of jasmine, ylang ylang, and clary sage. There will be no guessing. So the jasmine and ylang ylang are both going to be really floral. Clary sage is far more, and I know this has become a catch-all in so many videos when people, especially me even, talk about scents. It's very earthy. Clary sage is very green, but earthy. Whenever I say earthy, I mean almost, you don't want to say dirt because it sounds weird, but there is something about it that you guys know. Oh, that smells so good. Yeah, I don't get the dirt at all in this. The clary sage. Oh wow, that smells fantastic. The clary sage just knocks down the florals. You can't even really smell the clary sage, which can be a strong scent. You know, I do a lot of essential oils, and clary sage can be a strong scent. In this, it's just kind of topping those florals so that this doesn't smell like your grandmother. Not that your grandmother didn't smell lovely, I'm sure she did. I miss my Grammy. This is an 8.4 ounce shower gel. It is jasmine flower, rose petal, and ginseng root infusion. That's the first ingredients. Then it has jasmine absolute, clary sage oil, ylang ylang oil, fresh passion fruit juice. This was a really fun box. So I guess it was Valentine's Day in theory. That's why we got Sex Bomb and Love. And then this was Ooh La La. This was called Sex in the Shower. And this one was called Absolute Delight. So they kind of had a theme going on. That is what it looks like when you get it all put together. So it is such a fun box. I use such an extraordinary amount of bath and shower gels, that you would think that with all the ones that I get, I would fall so far behind in using the products, but I am telling you, I use those Daily Concepts loofahs and they are huge, and I just slather those things. I do sometimes fall a little bit behind because I am using right now, I had set aside and forgotten about, it's called, I think Happy Holidays. I think it's called Happy Holidays, and it's a this sized shower gel that I in theory got in December, and it was like cherry chocolate, and I thought you could smell it a little bit, but you couldn't smell it much. And that one shower gel was proof that I can sit here and and tell you guys what I think, but until you use it, you just don't know, because oh my goodness, when you use it, it is so cherry chocolate. It is magical. It is magical. But I am just using that now because I lost it during the holidays, which is fine. Cherry chocolate isn't necessarily a Christmas scent. It's a round the year scent to my way of thinking. Anyway, all of that to say, buy what makes you happy. This is the kind of stuff that makes me happy. I use it all. So I'm going to keep getting it for now. Thank you so much for coming by. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.